So having a 4-year-old, my daughter is super into beading and making keychains. This was actually a gift to me for the brand, but as always, I would give my honest opinion. So I'm going to show you. You get a bunch of letters. You get these keychains too, so you can actually hook these. She'll hook these onto her backpack, and we're going to bead both sides. You can even spell something. I love how unique each of the beads are, and they're really good for practicing her threading skills and the beading skills because of it. So let's get started. So here's my final look. I love that I could spell out anything I wanted. Obviously, there's limited number of alphabet letters, but love is definitely there. I love all the iridescent letters and how the letters themselves are iridescent. So if you're looking for a fun beading craft, this is definitely it.